In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage projects using Wrike, a powerful project management tool that can streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Let's dive in and explore how to optimize your Wrike experience step by step. First and foremost, it's crucial to set clear goals and objectives. Before diving into Wrike, take the time to establish a solid understanding of your project goals, timelines, and team roles. Setting up your projects correctly empowers you to leverage Wrike to its fullest potential. As you define your project goals, consider establishing key performance indicators, or KPIs, for a focused approach. Craft SMART goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound to ensure clarity and direction. Once your goals are set, make use of Wrike's folder and task structure. Wrike employs a folder system to organize all aspects of your project, from the high-level project overview to individual tasks and subtasks. Create folders for large projects and break them down into subfolders for smaller, more manageable sections. Assign specific tasks to team members, ensuring everyone knows their responsibilities and can easily locate the information they need. To boost efficiency, take advantage of Wrike's workflow automation features. Automating processes reduces manual efforts and keeps your projects on track. Set up custom workflows tailored to your team's processes and utilize task dependencies to ensure that tasks are completed in the correct order. By leveraging status updates, team members can seamlessly track progress, keeping everyone aligned and informed. When it comes to monitoring time and managing resources, Wrike offers robust tools. Turn on time tracking to keep an eye on how long tasks take, and use the workload view to balance team members' responsibilities. This helps ensure no one is overloaded and allows for adjustments to team assignments based on the workload data. Wrike's real-time collaboration tools enhance team communication. Use @mentions to direct questions or requests to specific team members, and keep discussions within task comments to maintain a single source of truth. Share files and documents directly within tasks, making it easy to access and share relevant information. To keep track of project progress, utilize Wrike's dashboards and reports. Build custom dashboards for key metrics like deadlines and workload. Generate reports to monitor project performance over time, which you can share with stakeholders to keep them informed and in the loop. For a more integrated experience, connect Wrike with other tools such as Google Drive, Slack, and Microsoft Teams. These integrations can centralize your project management and collaboration activities, streamlining communication and information sharing. Tailor Wrike's interface to suit your needs by customizing dashboards and views. Create custom views for different teams and set up filters to display tasks based on criteria such as deadline or assignee. Proactive risk management is essential. Use task statuses to identify critical tasks and create a risk register to track and address potential issues before they become problematic. Finally, take advantage of Wrike's mobile app for on-the-go management. This allows you to stay connected with your team and projects even when you're away from the office. By following these steps, you can unleash the full potential of Wrike to effectively manage and execute your projects.